What's up?
What's up?
Hi, welcome to my video, wherever this is gonna be. I'm just gonna do my everyday whatever makeup. So let's do it. Okay, so I already prepped my face, moisturizer. Yeah, so that's what I did. And now I'm gonna apply some primer. So I've got the Milk Makeup Blur Stick. I'm kind of a little extra with this, so we could be smooth. And then I'll change up my foundation. Not that. My primer. Just depending on like how I feel that day. So, oh, you know what? I just got this one. The Too Faced Hangover Primer. But so far so good. Just do my little pump. And then I crisscross that shit. Okay, so next. Yeah, I do my eyebrows first. Okay, so I got this Wet n Wild retractable brow pencil because I was just roaming the streets of CVS. I mean, Rite Aid, whatever. They're like the same. But this Wet n Wild pencil's kind of like weird. I feel like sometimes it wants to work for me, and then 90% of the time it doesn't. So I'm just gonna do like really light sketches with it. And it's always better to start with like a little at a time, because it's so much easier to add on than if you do something up and you're like, oh god, and you have to take it off. So I'm just doing light strokes, following my natural directions of my brow hair. And then I'm just going to brush it out so it looks soft and not like super harsh. Oh, sorry if I'm blocking. Oh. Oh my god. Why? Why couldn't this happen on my good brow? Because that's always easy to work with. This is my good brow. This is the brow that me and her were friends. We're good. We tell each other secrets. This brow, on the other hand, poser, it's not really working out. This ain't it. Oh my god. This is getting out of hand. Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. What the fuck? We're gonna rush it out. Oh. It's alright. So sometimes I have to go over it with a little dip brow because sometimes it doesn't really want to work out. But today we hit that 10% with that Wet n Wild brow pencil because it worked out today. Except for my crazy hand.
Yay!
Then I go in with my, oh my god, why did I put it back? Anastasia brush. This is the 20. Yeah, so I use it for concealing under my eyebrows. So I'm just like lightly blending underneath. And I'm just like trying to get really light with it because I don't want this harsh line underneath. But honestly, no matter how much I try, I still get the harsh line. But you know. And then I'm going to blend it out with my Sephora Collection Pro Airbrush Concealer Brush. Number 57, I don't know. Blend it out. When in doubt, blend it out. When in doubt, blend it out. And now, the other side, my least favorite side. Alright, this is kind of looking a little janky. Those brushes going against your face is so relaxing. I'm like, I fell asleep. Okay, so I'm going to take a little bit of translucent powder. This is the Airspun because I'm not trying to waste my good shit for not going like anywhere. And I'm going to dust it off lightly. And also, I don't blow on my brushes because that's disgusting. Okay. Ooh, ooh. Oh my god, I kind of look a mess, but it's cool. Next, I'm just going to start on my face. So, what is life? What foundation am I going to wear today? I'm back. Tarte Amazonian Clay Stick. But first, you know, life can be pretty tiring. So I'm going to go with the color corrector. Bobbi Brown. Okay, fun fact. I learned how to do color correcting because I got sucker punched in the face one time and I was like, oh my god, I got a black eye. No big deal. I took like an orange eyeshadow. Yeah, I know. And I put it under my eye, like in the area. And I covered it. Woo. Okay. I found something. I found this in my drawer. I've never tried it, but we're about to try it. It's the Clear Sonic Foundation Brush, and we're gonna try this. Oh, I don't really know how to like put this thing. This is soft. That kind of tickles. I probably shouldn't have done that. Okay, Tarte Stick Foundation. I'm just gonna do. I'm getting ready for battle. Okay. Don't get too crazy now. And then I'm just gonna. I feel like that was a lot. And this. Okay. Whoa. This feels good. Oh my goodness gracious. This is like a forehead massage. Oh, that tickles. I don't know how this one's gonna work out. Oh god. That was 2. Oh my god. That's kind of crazy. Okay. Let's move on from that. I felt another one coming. Ooh. Gentle. Woo. My hair looks like I got electrocuted. This thing is nice. Makes me sneeze. What am I doing? Just do your neck. Dang, I don't know what happened, but my camera like shut off in the middle of me filming and I don't know where I left off, but I'm just gonna pick back up where I started. Okay. NYX Wonder Pencil. It's like a swatch queen. Like a nude skin color. I'm gonna put it on my bottom waterline. One time this lady told me that she put eyeliner in her waterline, and the pencil, like, wood of it scraped her eye. So I always think about that moment when I put on my eyeliner. Now I need bronzer. Do I go in with the Anastasia bronzer that is a little too red, or should I go in with the Hoola? Swear to God, this better work. I'm so annoying. This is just, you know, it's just how I do it. Okay, now this is busted. It's an Ofra palette. The mirror broke. I didn't do it, but this is the mess that I have made, and now I have to live with it. So it's kind of loud outside. I'm like scared in my backyard because something died back there, and I'm finding it's like little pieces. Ugh, you don't want to know. It's just dried like beef jerky. Just gonna throw it. Oh, and then I have my Morphe brush. Use code I don't have one. And this is the R36. So, oh, Fenty. Well loved. I'm gonna use Hustle Baby because we're not doing anything today. Ooh. Ooh, highlight. Oh, they don't go under there. I'm getting a little crazy. And I take the same highlight and I'll use the other color, the other one, Mean Money. It's the side that's like not as crazy. And I'll just put it in my eye. Well, in the inner corners. When in doubt, blend it out. I'm just dropping everything. And then we're gonna go in with the Better Than Sex mascara. And we're gonna wiggle. Oh my god, my eye is a freaking mascara whore. Sometimes I'll wear like 4 different mascaras because I like the brushes. And even then, I do lead layers because I don't want no spider lashes. Sometimes I'll wear fake eyelashes, but even when I do, people are like, do you wear eyelashes? Are those your real eyelashes? No, they're just not like bat wings, but oh my god. Wow. Okay, so like I had this little like weird area where my eyelash wasn't growing, and I was like, maybe I pulled them out.
Oh, aggressive and things.
But then I've been using the Grande Lash Serum, and I think it's working. Anastasia Tinted Brow Gel. Mine's an espresso. Oh, how fitting. Because I love coffee. And I'm lightly, like, brushing it. In case, like, any product or powder got in there. And then because I'm extra. That clear brow gel, even though there is, like, brown tint on it. Wonder why. Now, we go in with a little setting spray. And, usually I use the Urban Decay All Nighter, but I'm going to do this Cover FX Illuminating Spray. Okay. I feel like Ariel when she hops out of the water on the rock. My hair is so crazy, but it's okay. Lipstick! So, I'm a huge liquid lipstick fan. I was like, dude, what was I wearing before liquid lipsticks came out? And then, I'm into regular lipsticks again. But I'm gonna use this Glam Glow lip balm. I know you're not supposed to eat stuff like this, but it's minty. One time in middle school, I had a candy corn lip gloss, and I swear to God, I like put it on, licked it off. This is gross. It's like I ate the whole thing, basically. So weird. It's probably why I didn't have any sense. Now I'm just gonna go with my Huda Liquid Matte lipstick and wifey. I'm like one of those people who only buys and wears liquid lipsticks or like lipsticks in general, and they're all nude and they all look the same. Sometimes I'll add like a moisturizing thing, chapstick. So I'll go with the NYX Butter Lip Balm, and it's tinted, so it kind of looks like a lipstick. This one's in the color Biscotti. We're not done. Clear gloss. And I don't like put the wand on my mouth because I don't want this clear to change. So like I'll put a little bit on my hand and then use my finger. Oh, I made a mess. If you watched the whole thing, thank you. I appreciate you. And if you didn't, I don't really blame you. And because I spent all that time doing that, I usually just throw my glasses on over it. Oh, I look so much more put together for not brushing my hair. Cool. Thanks for watching. Yeah. Bye. Yo, I have a whole background. Does that make me official? Because it was not easy putting this thing up.